keeping up with our Alt New YouTube channel, you are sure to be familiar with our ever so popular series, Colour Connection with Amber. In each episode, Amber shared a helpful way to jumpstart your creativity with colour. Every month she drew inspiration from the colour palette featured in our monthly Inspiration Challenge. Alt New crafters have loved learning her unique tips and tricks to combine colours in unexpected ways. Sadly, this series is coming to a close. However, we have dozens of Colour Connection videos in our channel here to stay for you to enjoy whenever you please. As a special farewell to this series, we have compiled the top fan favourite videos from the past year and a half to memorialise these iconic moments that Alt New fans have loved. Without further ado, let's get into it. Number 5. Eye-popping watercolour backgrounds. In this episode, the lovely Amber shows us how we can add some really cool looking watercolour backgrounds to our cards. She uses a dripping technique with watercolours and shows us how easy it can be done. It's a really great way to add a really fun and unique touch to your paper crafting projects. Number 4. Stretch your supplies, metallic watercolour and embossing folders. In this video, Amber shows us how we can use our metallic watercolours with 3D embossing folders to give a truly unique look. I just love the different kinds of effects you can get by using different colours. Number 3. Why don't I like this card? Said every card maker. In this video, Amber shows us 2 different projects that she didn't really like at the start. She plays around with elements and shows us how we can change our cards up to make them more pleasing to the eye. Number 2. New technique alert, embossed paper piecing. In this video, the very clever Amber shows us how we can stretch our embossing folders by using a little bit of paper piecing. She gives a really great mixed media look on these projects and we are sure you are going to love them. Number 1. How to make showstopper stamp on the edge of one layer cards. In this video, the lovely Amber shows how we can add more dimension to our one layer cards. The techniques that she uses in this video makes the images look more 3-dimensional than they even are. Thank you so much, Amber, for sharing your creativity with us. We will look back on your video series again and again whenever we need some colour inspiration. Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!